Alright, so I'm replacing the brake pads, the rotors, and the caliper. The best way to do it is have your new calipers and pad ready to go. So when you pull this one off, you just put the new one on. Let's see. The caliper has two 18mm bolts, and then the brake line, the banjo nut, banjo bolt, the size of the head on that is 11mm. They should give you new banjo bolts when you get a caliper, but they just give you the washers. I like to have the other one ready to go so you just don't lose too much fluid. Oh, it's dripping a lot of fluid actually, holy shit. Yeah, I guess just let that drip out. That's the caliper that just dripped all that out of there. That thing's really dripping. Alright, should be able to just slide this off. There we go. Peel that off of there. Pull the rotor off. There we go, piece of junk. Wheel bearing looks new because it is new. Cool. Grab the new rotor. Thankfully it fits. These are AC Delco. There's some grease on there that they put on from the factory so it doesn't rust. Let's go ahead and get some brake cleaners good. I have WD-40 on me right now, so that's what I'm using. Oh, I really don't want to use this shirt. Whatever, it's already shot. Get a lot of that oil off of there. Cut shit on the back first. Should have set that on the dirty floor, huh? That dripping is driving me nuts. Alright. Grab a new rotor, caliper, I mean. Yep, has to be. Alright. Oh shit. Go ahead and get your top one started. Sorry about the lighting. Let's try to stay in the shade here. Top one. Bottom one. Alright, I'm going to replace the banjo bolt that's on the outside, but I'm going to leave that inside one just because it gets so rusty here that it'd probably do more harm than good to try and replace that other one. This company sent me some gloves with the rotors, pretty cool. I mean with the calipers, not the rotors. Actually, if it comes right out, we'll replace both, but right now it's not wanting to come off of there. This fucking sucks. Dude, that thing's so misshapen, it's not even funny. I might actually have to leave that on there because it's like a friggin' triangle. It's not even round. Yeah, that's fucking weird. Should probably just leave it like that. I live in New York and it gets so rusty here that sometimes you can't always do everything exactly the right way. I hate brake fluid so much. God damn it. Just want to tighten it down pretty good. I had 10 minutes on this memory card, so it's about to run out, but that's pretty much how you do it. And just tighten everything back up, put it all back together. Thanks for watching.